If you've noticed that your Instagram follower count isn't updating, it can be frustrating, especially if you're working hard to grow your presence. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to address this issue. First, ensure that your app is up to date. Instagram frequently releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so having the latest version can resolve many glitches. Head to your device's app store, check for updates, and install any available ones. Next, try clearing your app cache. This can help eliminate temporary files that might be causing issues. On Android, go to your device settings, find Instagram under Apps, and select Clear Cache. For iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. If the problem persists, consider checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from refreshing properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference, or try connecting to a different network altogether. Another potential cause could be Instagram's servers. Occasionally, they experience outages or slowdowns. Check online platforms or social media to see if other users are reporting similar issues. If it's a widespread problem, you'll likely have to wait until Instagram resolves it. Lastly, review your account's activity. If you've been engaging in behavior that violates Instagram's guidelines, such as using bots or buying followers, your account might be temporarily restricted. Ensure you're following the platform's rules to avoid any penalties. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your follower count. Remember, patience is key, as some problems may take time to resolve. Keep engaging authentically with your audience, and your follower count will reflect your efforts soon enough.